This is the Dallas Morning News. It's Wednesday, March 12th. A mix of sun and clouds today with a chance for an afternoon thunderstorm. The high will be 81. Clear skies tonight with a low of 55. Here are today's headlines. Behind-the-scenes dialogue between the Mavericks and the city of Dallas about potential sites for a new arena have intensified in recent days. It's also no longer behind the scenes. City Manager Kimberly Beiser-Tolbert said Tuesday in a statement to the Dallas Morning News that the Mavericks have called the city of Dallas home for the last 45 years. We are committed to the long-term relationship we have established with them and are working closely with team officials to keep them in Dallas where they belong. Tolbert's remarks come as the city of Irving considers rezoning that could pave the way for an arena, destination resort, and potentially a casino on 182 acres primarily owned by Las Vegas Sands Corporation, whose COO is Mavericks Governor Patrick Dumont. On Tuesday, Mavericks CEO Rick Welts emphasized to the news that the franchise, first and foremost, is focused on building an arena in Dallas. He characterized Mayor Eric Johnson, Tolbert, and other city officials as extremely enthusiastic and encouraging. Welts said the most immediate goal is identifying and securing a 30 to 50 acre site for an arena and full-blown entertainment district in the next year. In other news, Dallas-based Southwest Airlines made an unexpected announcement Tuesday, saying it would be doing away with its bags fly free policy. The policy allowed passengers' first 2 checked bags to fly free and has been a hallmark of the alternative airline since its founding nearly 60 years ago. Members of the upper tier of Southwest's loyalty program will still get 2 free checked bags. Flyers on business select fares also get 2 free bags. Members of the lower-tier A-list members get 1 free bag, in addition to certain other customers, such as holders of Southwest's branded Rapid Rewards credit card. Everyone else will now be charged for their bags. Southwest says the changes will apply to flights booked on or after May 28th. The move is intended to return Southwest to profitability. Next up, if measles spreads to North Texas, Cook Children's Medical Center says it will be ready. The Fort Worth Hospital has 6 negative pressure rooms to care for children with the virus. Rooms have space for family members and specialized air ventilation systems that pull air inward, preventing recirculation. Dr. Suzanne Whitworth, Division Chief of Pediatric Infectious Diseases, hopes the rooms will not be needed, saying, "If everyone gets vaccinated, we won't have this crisis. This is preventable." So far, 223 measles cases have been reported in the West Texas outbreak, although officials have said the number is probably much higher. 1 unvaccinated child in Texas has died, and 1 unvaccinated adult in New Mexico, where the virus spread, has died. And a North Texas pharmacist was sentenced to prison for a scheme to defraud the federal government out of millions of dollars for skin creams. Dehshid David Nourian was sentenced last month to 17.5 years in prison for healthcare fraud, money laundering, and defrauding the U.S. government. The court also ordered the 62-year-old Nourian to pay $115 million in restitution and forfeit more than $400 million in assets. Federal prosecutors say Nourian and partners paid doctors millions of dollars in bribes and kickbacks to prescribe expensive and unnecessary compounded creams for pain and scars from 2014 to 2017. Doctors referred the prescriptions to a handful of pharmacies operated by Nourian and his partners, including Ability Pharmacy in Fort Worth and Park Row Pharmacy in Arlington. Thanks for listening. For more on today's stories and the latest breaking news, visit dallasnews.com. Enjoy your day, and I'll be back tomorrow with more from the Dallas Morning News.